With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, a thin uniform rod of mass m length L is at rest on a smooth horizontal surface. A pair of same mass m collide with the rod at one end, perpendicular to its length with velocity v0 and stick to it. C is the middle point of the rod and D is at a distance of L by 4 from the end. Time taken by the rod to turn through 90-degree angle after the collision. So if you see here, this is the point D, right, and this is the point C. So if you see when it will collide and stick to it, right, the center of mass will be lying at the geometrical center of these two, because if you see that both are having same mass m and m, so it will be lying at the D. So D will be the center of mass of the particle plus the uniform rod. So the perpendicular distance is L by 4 of this line of motion of this particle. So if I write down the initial momentum, it is momentum of the particle perpendicular distance, so it is mv0 L by 4. Finally they will stick and they will start rotating about D. So as I say D, so let us find out the moment of inertia of this rod plus this particle about D. So get the momentum of the rod, I will apply the parallel axis theorem, ml square by 12 plus ml square by 4, that is 16, right. So it is 4 by 48, it is 3 by 48, it is 7 by 48. This particle have a moment of inertia ml square by 16 again. So again it is 3 by 48, so it will be it will be this plus this, it is 3 by 48 for 7 by 48, it is 10 by 48. So I will equate it, it is equals to I net by omega into omega. So from here we could write down the omega will be equals to m v0 L by 4, and this I net is ml square. So this m and m, this L and L will get cancelled out, this 12, this will be 5, 6. So we got 6 v0 by 5L. Now we want the time taken by it to turn through angle 90 degrees. So we'll simply write down it is theta is equals to omega t, and t is equals to theta by omega. Theta is pi by 2, omega in division it is 5L. So it is 5 pi L by 12 v0. So you can see here D is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.